Hi everybody, Mr. Beltran here. I'm going to go over a little dance here called the electric slide, alright? And the way this works is you're going to be facing one wall of your house, okay? You're going to do some moves, then you're going to turn and face a different wall. You're going to do the exact same moves. You're going to turn and face the third wall, same moves. Turn and face the fourth wall, same moves, until you turn back and face the original wall that you were starting out with, okay? I'm going to go over it. Of course, if you need to pause, go back in the video, feel free to do that. I know sometimes it's kind of hard to pick up on all the steps, okay? So I'm going to start here, facing this wall in front of me here. Feet are going to be together. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a step out to your right, okay? And then the next one with your left foot is going to go behind, okay? So it's kind of crossed behind my right foot. Then I'm going to go right foot out to the side, and then it's called a touch. What I mean by touch is I'm going to lightly put my left foot down. Just the toes are lightly touching the ground. All my weight is still going to be on my right leg. This left foot is just lightly touching the ground. That's why I call it a touch. Okay, so starting over, it's going to be right behind, right touch. Okay, so right now all my weight is on my right foot. The reason I want to just touch lightly with my left foot is because the next move I'm going to go back to my left. So it's going to be left, behind, left, touch. Now touch again. This right foot, the toes are only lightly touching the ground. I'm really putting all my weight standing on my left leg. Okay, so let's start that from the beginning again. Okay, so I'm starting right here on the side here. I'm going to go right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch. Okay, so now all my weight is on my left leg, and my right toes are lightly touching the ground. Now I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to go right, left, right, touch. So now my left leg is lightly touching the ground. Okay, so let's start again from the beginning here. Okay, so it's going to go right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch. Okay, now the one that's slightly touching my right foot is going to go right, left, right, touch. So my left foot is lightly touching. Now I'm going to take that left foot, I'm going to just take one step forward, and with my right foot, I'm going to lightly tap my toes next to it. Touch. And then I'm going to go backwards. Right leg back, left foot touch. And then I'm going to turn and face the second wall. So when I turn and face the second wall, I'm going to take this left foot, I'm going to turn, when I put it, step down, I'm going to turn it so that it's going to be facing my wall to the left. Okay, so I went from right here, lightly touching, turn it so that it's now facing the wall to my left. And with my right leg, I'm going to swing and turn my body so now I'm facing the wall to my left. Okay, and then the second I put my right foot down, I start all the movements all over again. Okay, so let's start at the very beginning again. Here we go. Okay, facing that first wall again, I'm going to go right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch. Then I'm going to go back, 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 touch, then forward, one step only, touch, then backwards, one step, touch, and then this is where I'm going to turn that left foot. I'm going to step and turn it at the same time, and I'm going to swing that right leg and my body around so I'm facing the other wall. And the second I touch the ground, I'm starting over. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch, and here's the turn. Turn my foot facing the other wall, swing, and the second my right foot touches, I'm starting again. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch. And here's the turn. Turn and swing and start again. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch. And now I'm going to turn and face the original wall. Turn and swing, and I'm back to my original wall. Okay? So that was the electric slide. Okay? You repeat the steps facing each wall as you go. Okay, now let's try it again. If you make a mistake, that's all right. Like I said, pause, try it again. All right? Here we go. All right. Remember, we're starting to the right first. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch, turn and kick, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch, turn, kick, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, back, 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 touch, front, touch, back, touch, turn and kick, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, left, touch, right, back, back, touch, front, touch, back, touch, turn and kick, and you're back to the original wall. Alright, I know that was a little bit faster than what we're used to, okay? But if you need to practice, just go back in the video, try it again, alright?